Today's moral story is The Geese and the Fig Tree. Once upon a time, there lived a group of geese in a peaceful meadow. One day, while playing in the meadow, they noticed a magnificent fig tree laden with ripe fruits. They became very happy. The geese returned home and all started thinking. They wanted to eat figs but could not reach the fruits because the tree stood tall. Determined, the geese held a meeting to devise a plan. They decided to take turns flying one above the other, hoping to create a ladder of sorts to reach the figs. As they implemented their plan, they faced challenges. Some geese were impatient, while others grew tired and wanted to enjoy the figs without waiting for their turn. Slowly but steadily, they formed a stable ladder, and one by one they reached the figs. The geese cheered, sharing the sweet reward with the other. The geese learned that by supporting each other and working together, they achieved what seemed impossible individually. Moral of the story: teamwork makes the dream work. So, kids, teamwork is like putting a puzzle pieces together to create a complete picture. Imagine building a tree house. One friend may be great at designing, another at gathering materials, and together they create something amazing. In teamwork, everyone has a role to play. Teamwork means sharing ideas, listening to friends, and working together.
Great explanation. It was really helpful.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.